sound is a very easy chapter. Just सुन लो, एक बार घर पे जाके पढ़ोगे तो हो जाएगा already. क्यों रट्टा मारना है इसमें? समझ लो. Resonance का आगे शुरू नहीं किया, मैं पहले characteristics करके फिर resonance पे जाऊँ. And then I will go to your echo part, which is the easiest. Okay? Now we come to the third and the last one, quality or timbre. Okay? Quality or timbre. This depends on the waveform. Let's first try to understand what is a waveform. Can I say sound from a monotone? अच्छा monotone याद है किसी? Only one instrument can create a monotone. Who is that? Tuning fork. बाकी सबका एक distinguishable sound होता है. बर्तन गिरा. So you can tell ना, it is a कांच का बर्तन or it is a metal or it is whatever it is. Whatever falls down, you can even identify that a chain has fallen down, or is it a glass that has fallen down, or a human being that has fallen down. Why? Because each of these sounds have a very, very specific nature, and our ears are trained to understand the nature of it. Right? So why do we understand that? Because sound from a tuning fork may look like this, but sound from natural objects like bodies, human bodies, substances, things, anything that is a matter, every sound is going to be having a typical characteristic. Like maybe my sound when I talk, it is something like this. So if it is something like this, this is a wave, this is a wave, it will continue to be like this. It will never really change. Sound very rarely changes. It does change because of some nodal issues and all. I'm not talking about that, but generally we are able to recognize a person by their sound because this is my sound. This is a special kind of attribute that just belongs to me. That's why you can identify that sound. So this is one, can I say this is one wave? This is another wave, this kind of a wave, and this third wave. These three things are giving the character to my sound or not. So that is called as the timbre of my sound. For everyone has a, some people have a grainy sound, husky voice. Husky होता है बहुत लोगों का आवाज, like Rani Mukherjee. If you know, that's the only thing that we occur to. Some people have a very, like Amitabh Bachchan has a very deep voice. So that is a different kind of modulation that you have to do. So we can modulate our sounds. People who do theatre and go into acting and all, they have to learn voice modulation. Why? Because when we talk, it's a flat sound. हम लोग बोल रहे like they are reading something. But for them, they have to emphasize on certain words. So in those points where they have to emphasize on, they raise their either shrillness or loudness depending on what is demanded of them. Understanding? So timbre is a very, very specific quality of each one of us, and every instrument, everything that has matter, that is made of matter. Understood? Did you understand the difference between these two waves? This is a monotone, and this is a you can say it's an identifiable waveform. मतलब ऐसा जो है ना, मेरा voice हमेशा ऐसा ही रहेगा. If somebody who has a voice which is like this and this, it will continue to be like this. Understanding or whatever? ऐसा ही. That's how it is for everyone. It will continue to be. This is the characteristic of your sound. Alright? So, if I take two sound waves, let's say this is a monotone. It has the same amplitude and it has the same frequency. Let's say 1 second में एक wave. Frequency, time period, amplitude, same. I take another wave of the same amplitude, है, same time period of frequency है. फिर भी this will sound different, this will sound different. Why? Because they have different waveform. What do we call this? They have different waveform. So two sounds with the same amplitude, with the same frequency will have the same loudness and pitch, but will have different quality or timbre.
हाँ तो waveform मतलब अलग-अलग
कैसा दिख रहा है देखो अलग. ये एकदम pure sinusoidal wave है, sine wave जिसको हम बोलते हैं. This is not a pure sine wave. This is a more like a linear. It's a linear wave.
But timbre different.
Only timbre is different. Why? Because waveform is different. But can I say दोनों का loudness और pitch same है? I can say that, right? Clear? Absolutely clear? Music and noise. Again, a very subjective matter. For some people, some sound, some things that you hear is like music, but it's noise for others. So this is a very subjective matter, but still, scientifically, when we talk about, technically, we talk about music and noise, we will say music has continuous, pleasant तो ठीक है, क्यों pleasant लगता है वो बताइए. It has continuous, periodic and uniform waveform. Continuous, periodic and uniform waveform. मतलब ऐसा भी अगर हो तो ये यहाँ पे ऐसा ही होगा, यहाँ पे ऐसा ही होगा. It will not change. And then if it changes, it becomes something which is at least 2-3 waves, or here couple of waves. Like it could be thousands of waves are similar. And then again it changes, but it becomes, it has a repetitive periodic nature or not? हाँ, change हो रहा है, but repetition is there. There is a periodicity. Okay, so this can be called as music. But if there is something like this, is there any periodicity in this? Is there any continuity in this? Is there any uniformity in this? Then this will be called as noise. And this is also above 120 decibel. This is between 20, not very important for you, 10 decibels to 30 decibels. Understood the difference between sound, music and noise?
30 to 120 बेटा.
30 to
122.
नहीं, हम ऐसे बात करते हैं जो range में, the language, like when we are talking to one another, that all comes in 30 भी 50 तक भी होता है. Okay? So frequency, and we are not talking about frequency, we are just talking about the loudness. Frequency is very different. BPM, beats per minute के ऊपर depend करता है. So like very high frequency music, like we are talking about the trance music. When we are talking about trance music, that is a very high beats per minute. So that's how it goes. So then if you are talking about classical music, it has very low. It has very, like it's a mellower version. Right? So you understood all of these characteristics? Chalo. You want to copy something, then copy it quickly and then we will start.